What's up guys, how you doing? So I just want to explain to you the playlist that I have. So basically, if I, for example, drop a video that is unboxing and it's from Samsung, so I have playlist for Samsung that includes all Samsung related phones or anything else, and there is unboxing playlist that includes all unboxings in my channel. So that's how my playlist goes. Let's take a look. So guys, this is the playlists that I have. Like for example, Pixel, all phones that have been issued by Google, you'll find it in the Pixel playlist. As well as reviews, all phones that I've done reviews, you can go there. Alcatel playlist, you can just get in and find all Alcatel videos related in the Alcatel playlist. If you are actually looking for a video and you couldn't find it. Unboxing videos, I have tech tutorials. Ignore the mobile phones because I just include everything later on. Podcast, I include my car talks. This is both both segments together, but I'm gonna segregate or differentiate between the podcast and the car talk and later on. Mobile phone cameras is all camera tests on all phones. Xiaomi, Honor, Samsung. Tech face off, like for example speaker test, all that stuff. Or maybe camera, anything that related to face-off between two phones. Speaker test is the speaker test of all phones. Maybe I'll just arrange the speaker test to be like in the face-off later on, or maybe make it speaker test face-off, so it's different. Mobile gaming, video games, Huawei, PC. So you get the point. This is the way the playlist is done. Thank you guys. See you guys later.